This climb was a challenge, a new experience, and great happiness for us. Welcome to Matokit. We embarked on this adventure with great confidence, but also a little naively. But with pure luck, it ended well. We knew that the beginning would be a bit steeper, and that we would have to climb the ridge sharply in the first part, so we started quite early in the morning. The beginning was okay, nothing we haven't been through before, but something was not right, because we noticed that we started to sweat a lot, which is not very good at the beginning of the hike. The sun slowly began to rise, and we had not yet reached the ridge we were supposed to be on, and we still had to climb to the first summit. This is our goal. This is Matokit, not this summit before. There is still a lot of climbing to do. We have to walk the entire crust ridge to the top while paying attention to every step, because there are slopes on both sides of the ridge. We decide to rest and drink water on this first summit before crossing the ridge, and realized that we were carrying too little water with us. All the time I was convinced that we were carrying enough water, but the bottles were smaller, which would not be enough for the return. We moved on as soon as possible, hoping for some shade because the temperature was rising every minute and we began to feel the effects of dehydration. After an hour we reached the top with a little less than a liter of water each. We saved that for the return, but we are not sure that it will be enough for us. We are happy to be on the top, but at the same time we are worried about returning, because it takes us 2 hours to reach the first village. We took a shorter route towards the nearest village, and it took us 2 hours to reach it. Halfway through we ran out of the water and it was questionable whether we would reach the village. Many thanks to people from the village of Ravča who stepped in to help us, because who knows how this would end. And I must say the Sretana get through this much better than me. I was drained. Literally. For us, this was a fight with a monster, but also a new experience. No matter how tame and light the mountain looks like, it should not be underestimated. Lesson learned, and we'll let the monster sleep until another time.